Look at it.
Slow vacuuming.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Getting the rug extra clean.
Yeah.
Well done. Cool. Okay, see you in the next one.
Okay.
Here's something I wish I knew before.
So, all right, let's go back to me now. So you take your time and you're vacuuming, and you know the width of the head of the vacuum. You can do it just with any vacuum. It doesn't have to be Dyson. Dyson, they really, really suck. Not physically suck. I mean, they physically suck, but they're not like, they're really, really good vacuums that suck. Does that make any sense? Someone out there does. I get it. And he's going really, really slow and then comes backwards really, really slow. I would lose my mind. I would have to be high. I would have to take edibles and just be like, yeah, man, look at this thing fill up with fur and hair. Whoa, and back. And you forward, you and back, you. Yeah, 1 hour or whatever the length of the battery charge of whatever the thing that they got. I got to plug in the wall. I got the old fashioned one. It has to connect to something. I'm going to try it. I got a couple rugs where the cats lay on all the time, and I'll take a picture and I'll post it on our Facebook page. So you can go over there as well and see it, and I'll have proof for you. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the show, make sure you follow us over on Facebook. That's Deacon Live, all one word. Make sure you give us a follow over there and you get up to date with all the stuff that's going on. I'll post some pictures up there. All the articles that you heard during the show, I'll post them up there as well.